Hello fellow traders, welcome to another episode of the series, of the Bitcoin series. What we do every week, we will keep doing that. I'm sure that you will find some proper ways and some proper trading techniques that you will see in this channel that will help you significantly with your trading. If you are not trading, however, you are having some Bitcoins, it will help you to understand the market. And if you are willing to start trading, for sure you need to keep in mind that it's completely hindsight. It's very risky, and 90% of traders are losing money in the market. So what we do every week, we are analyzing the CFTC report. Again, I say that in the previous episode. Yes, it's not a perfect way to do it. However, we need the sentiment and a technical analysis. Fundamental, we don't have because we are talking about crypto. However, we need some basic, and this will be our sentiment analysis. And the CFTC report, in my opinion, is the most reliable way and the best thing that you need to do when you are trading. This is our entry point, mid of June. Remember that we are waiting for the market to retrace since January. So actually we are talking about 7 months. At this week, retailers again are in the wrong side. Why I'm saying that? Well, it's very simple. The numbers and statistics shows that very easy, because 90% of them are losing money. Most of the retailers are short in the market. Actually, there is a small difference. However, still, retailers are going short in the market. But what happened to the commercial and to what I am paying attention every week, you also have to do that, because they know how to do it and they know where to do it. Commercials are start increasing their long position significantly. Here was the big drop. So you can check the trend. In the previous week, commercial were 158 position long. Now they are 216. But it's not only that, because you need to read the report with the proper way. They also decrease their short position, so they are preparing their long position, and this is a very important factor. Also, you can give a look. The short position are the lowest since January. They are closing their short position, so it's very easy to understand that, and that's why it's important to keep a track in your trading and keep statistics. Statistics not meaningless, statistics and numbers that you are able to use in your trading. So for this week, 65% of the commercial are short in the market. However, 34% of them are long in the market. Okay, the base idea is that most of them are still short. However, this is not the case, because you need to understand where the market will start to change, and that is what you want to see. Here is my chart. You told me there is a diamond in the middle. No, I think it's just a random chart based on Excel. I mean, I don't think that this would make sense. Short position again are more than the long ones. However, remember what we said, that we keep an eye on the commercial, because they know how to do it. And now I will open still my technical analysis. Here is my chart. My orders from the beginning. Remember still again, I am paying overnight fees. So actually that's probably you will see a difference in the balance. I have already tracked them here. I am expecting approximately more than 360 euro in fees, because I think that it will be a big trade in duration. So what we are seeing here, there is a channel for sure. The prices did exactly what we said on our previous episode. I said that I wouldn't be surprised if the prices left goes at this level. It's fine. Based on the market, based on the Bitcoin, I think 1 or 2K up or down won't make so much difference. That's why we see so much tweezer tops and bottoms and so on. We might have a bottom here, but even if the prices goes higher, and here are the blue lines that are some significant retracement level based on the general bearish market conditions. So we need to see the currency to jump significantly higher. So uh, I'm still not excited for sure. After so many trades, I think that I managed to suppress that feeling, even though I can guarantee it's amazing, especially when you are hitting your targets. So the main idea, it's still the market might go lower. I don't want to break this channel for sure. Remember that I'm risking the entire account. I mean, this is the percentage of my entire account because we already said about how to calculate your risk, and money management will help you to succeed in trading. It doesn't matter so much if you are absolutely accurate in your trading. However, discipline is the key and will help you through your trading. What I'm expecting at this point, I want the prices to break the channel for sure and start shooting higher. There is also, when you are trading, you have to always take into consideration both factors. I mean, put a scale and manage to make a decision. Of course, it's very easy when you are not trading and you can say an opinion after the market done the move. And that's why we are always trading live accounts to prove that we can do it. And it can be done. So at this point, again, I am not quite sure where the market will go. We might have a bottom there, and the prices will start to go higher. Again, no one guarantees that will continue to go higher. And in this video, I will also show you how we will follow this trade, because I've heard about some trail stops that I totally disagree with the way that trail stop works. For sure, some of new traders feel more comfortable. They don't want to lose their pips. They don't want to lose their profits, and it's totally acceptable. This is up to you. So in the downside, what happen if the prices breaks below? Unfortunately, the prices, if they break below this channel, they will go significantly lower. Remember that what I've said in the first episodes, I have prepared two entries for the currency. The one is approximately at 20k. That's why I have several positions to average. And the other one will be approximately at 10 to 8k. I'm not quite sure where the prices will bounce. You ask me about these entry points, about my targets. That's why I'm showing you exactly based on retracements, based on extensions, based on channels and so on. We are calculating some potential prices, either that the market will reverse or if the market goes in our favor. Again, guys, thank you very much for your support. You are asking me about other cryptocurrencies. I do not trade any other cryptocurrency. I wasn't planning to trade Bitcoin either, for no reason. I just did that due to popularity, and you are asking me every time. So I created this series. You can watch it every week. So if you have any questions, also, if you are reading the news, every time they try to mislead you with some regulations and so on. We all know that this market cannot be regulated for sure. So don't get so much excited, or on the other hand, do not get disappointed if you hear this kind of news. We are talking about the regulations. So far, we are still good. Again, guys, thank you very much. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.